If your travel plans have changed and you need to cancel your hotel booking, don't worry, it's actually very easy to do. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to cancel a booking on Agoda in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, open the Agoda app or website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile and tap on the My Bookings section. This is where you'll find all your current and past reservations. Now, select the booking that you want to cancel. After opening your booking details, look for the option that says Cancel Booking. If your reservation is eligible for cancellation, this option will be visible. Tap on it, and Agoda will guide you through the cancellation process. You may be asked to confirm your decision and select a reason for cancellation. Once you confirm, your request will be submitted. In many cases, if your booking has free cancellation, the process is instant and your booking will be cancelled immediately without any extra steps. According to Agoda's policy, cancellations made before the deadline mentioned in your confirmation email are usually fully refunded without processing fees. However, if you cancel after the deadline, you may be charged a fee, often equal to at least one night's stay. If you don't see the cancel option, it could mean your booking is non-refundable. In that case, you may need to contact Agoda customer support through the help center or your confirmation email for assistance. Some bookings require manual cancellation, especially if there are special conditions. After cancellation, Agoda will send you a confirmation email. If your booking is refundable, the refund will be processed back to your original payment method. The time it takes to receive the refund can vary, but it is typically processed within around 10 days, depending on your bank. So, in simple words, canceling a booking on Agoda is easy. Log in, go to your bookings, select the reservation, tap Cancel, and confirm your request. Just make sure to always check the cancellation policy before booking to avoid any unexpected charges. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. See you in the next video.